Hello everyone, welcome to Noriko's dining table in spring. Speaking of spring, it's a time of flowers. Among many beautiful flowers, Sakura cherry blossom is the special one. Did you enjoy cherry blossom viewing? Just taking a walk under the cherry trees and the blossoms that feel us really happy. So today I set the dining table for the gathering in spring in the floral season. Please look at this. On the table, I used a lot of bright colors like pink and red and accent color gold. And on this table, there are many devices that a host and hostess can enjoy eating with guests relaxingly. And many items are on the table, but except these champagne glasses, all are Japanese made. I'll explain about those items. First of all, the chopstick rest here, and this is the shape of sakura petal, and this is a good item for this time of the year. And these small items is a kind of a fun part of Japanese table coordination. But this is not the chopstick rest, this is a small plate. And next is this small frosty glass bowl. And this gold rim is very gorgeous in combination with this beautiful plate. But I said plate, but this is not a real plate. This is a lid of a bowl of simmered food. And this is the front side, very simple, but the back side is very gorgeous with gold decoration called makie. This is the reason why I use this lid as a plate. And can you see the patterns? Well, this is a plant. This is a plant called princess tree. And princess tree's flowers are here, and these flowers bloom in May. And the princess tree is an auspicious plant in Japan, so it's often used for the family crest and emblems. Well, I introduced about the lid of the plate, and in Japan, traditionally, there are many types of bowls for some purposes. Please look at these. These are some examples. And 1, 2, 3. The 3 these are the bowl for soup. Therefore, it's a little deeper, and outside is very beautiful, but inside is also so very gorgeous. And look at this one. This is very simple outside, but inside is also very, very gorgeous. And please look at these. These are the bowls for simmered foods, and they are shallower and the diameter is wider. When you have a chance to use these traditional bowls, we better know about the original usages. After knowing that, we can use them freely with our wisdoms and our ideas. That is the pleasure of table decoration. Okay, these are the sake cup, antique one. I like these patterns, very cute. But today I use for food. I serve some food in it. And under the cup, I selected this round, small pottery plate as a coaster. And this is small box. I designed this box, and this is very simple design. The outside is white and inside is gold. So this simple design match with any type of table coordination and any season and any type of gathering. And also, please look at this plate. This is the tajimi ware in Gifu Prefecture. Well, this is a gray glaze. However, this gray color contains a lot of other colors like brown, yellow, white, blue, and any colors. So that coordinate with easily with any types of items and any color of tableware. And the surface is also very interesting. There are some kind of dimples and holes, and the dumpy texture is very interesting too. Okay, this champagne glass is for sake today, and the sake bottle is right here, and this is a sake cooler, but actually this is a flower base. And in the center of the table, I arranged some flowers as well, and this flower base is also the cattail glass. And the both side of these flower arrangement, I set moss balls in a very slim container, shigaraki ware. But actually, this moss ball is not the real, it's a fake. So it's very easy to treat, and on the dining table, it's clean and sanitary.
Well, Noriko sensei, so before serving dishes,
Yes?
may I ask, what is sakura viewing?
Yes, Sakura Viewing has been a very special event for Japanese people.
So among various flowers in Japan, blooming in Japan, why is sakura so unique, so
Yeah.
special?
That's right. Especially the springtime, we can enjoy viewing many beautiful flowers. But for instance, looking at history, we have been admired plum blossoms, cherry blossoms, sakura, and the plum blossoms, and the chrysanthemum flowers. But among these flowers, the sakura is the only Japan original plant.
Wow, the only original one.
That's right. So I think sakura has been admired by Japanese people since the oldest time, the Nara period, I think.
Wow, ancient times. Wow.
And the blossoms, flowers, colors, and shapes reflects the simplicity and also the purity which Japanese people love. I myself enjoy sakura viewing, but the blossom season is very short, isn't it?
Yes, exactly.
It's about a week or within a week,
Yes.
and the full-blown blossoms fall down rapidly without any hesitations because of heavy rains or strong winds. But I think this is a point. I mean, this is a symbol of the ephemeral beauty of Japanese aesthetics.
Definitely. So, looking back on history, how has sakura been beloved in each period?
For instance, in Heian period, sakura was a symbol of elegance of aristocrats, and the Kamakura and Muromachi era, that was a symbol of martial arts and skills of samurai warriors. And in Edo era, it was a pleasure in springtime for common people. And besides the farming culture, the sakura is a very important tree, especially in the village. One very big sakura tree has been very important because the blooming season, the god of the paddies just come down to the village and they sit down on the tree and keep watching the rice planting and bring a lot of abundant, the crops in autumn time.
Wow, like overseeing from the top of the cherry tree. Wow.
Keep watching. And the name of the paddy, the god of the paddy, is Sa. So Sakura's Sa is the name of the god, and Kura means sitting down. Therefore, Sakura is a plant that the god sit down.
Interesting story.
Yeah, that's right. But not only in the history, but also for the present time, Spring is a very special time. I mean, especially April is a milestone season for Japanese people, especially the workers and the students. It's the ending time and also the starting time. So many people look at the sakura with the feeling of past and the present and the future, and a lot of people just pray their happiness to sakura. So I think cherry blossom viewing is more than just admiring the beautiful flowers.
Definitely.
I served food for gathering. Everything is ready. As you can see, we prepared many delicious food. Please look at these. The spring colors, and this is a sushi, scampi sushi. Well, Keiko, would you tell us how to make them?
Hi, I show you 2 recipes from today's Noriko's dining table. Firstly, 2-colored egg cake. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? It's so easy to make it. Firstly, divide 4 hard-boiled eggs into yellow and white parts. Strain them separately. Remove water and egg white by using a kitchen towel. It might be a little bit a hassle, but it's fun. You can make it. And add 1 tablespoon of sugar into each strained egg and mix lightly. Spread white part in a mold evenly, and secondly, yellow part. Wrap this loosely in cling wrap and microwave for 2 minutes over 600 watts. Once cooled, keep it in the fridge and cut it. It's done. Next, chirashi sushi, which means sushi rice topped with various ingredients. Prepare fresh sashimi slices and kombu sheet. Sprinkle some salt and sandwich sashimi with kombu. Wrap them tightly and leave it in the fridge for 1 to 3 hours so that sashimi absorbs the kombu's perfect umami. Once sashimi slices get like transparent, it's done. Amazingly delicious. Of course, using raw fish as it is would be nice. Finally, set vinegared sushi rice with sesame seeds and ginger if you like in a box. Prepare ingredients like shiso leaves, thin omelette, vinegared lotus roots, Japanese pepper buds, and sashimi and salted sakura buds for this season. Please give it a try. If any question, please feel free to ask me anything through DM. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching the video. I do hope the table coordination and cooking bring us love and peace. I would like to see you all the next time in summer. Thank you and see you again. Bye-bye.
See you again.